Hi everybody, just wanted to show you something. They just remodeled our butterfly park and they have Alice back. Look how nice. Wow. This is so cool. Can't wait for the trees to come back. We actually had winter this year. And wow. Whoa, Alice is back. So excited to see Alice. She was gone for the longest time. This is going to be a water thing. They're not done with it yet. Water fountain. Oh, let me go this way. She's so pretty. Great, great, great. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that sculpting. Gorgeous. And you see the bow in the back. Wow. So nice. It had been gone for a while, and now she's back, and I'm so excited to see her back. Wow. Wow. They're still working on it. There's still a lot more they have to do in here. But, oh, I'll have to brighten that up. Yeah, kind of dark. Well, cool. This is amazing. Look at, nice. There used to be a gazebo there. But you know, they build them in wood, and wood does not stay when you have rains, hurricanes like we get. And whereas my husband, he builds stuff that's made with PVC. And I'll show you that. Across the way here. Whew. I'm being very careful how I walk because I did have a knee replacement. And, well, in 2014, but I don't want to fall down and hurt myself, you know. So let me show you. I'm going to hold on to this here a little bit while I cross. Whee! My husband has lights, his lights in the yard. It's really nice at nighttime anyway. All right, let me get up here. And lights just went out. I don't know why. He must have been playing with them. And here's his lighthouse. Look at that. It's made out of PVC and tile on the bottom. And he's really good. Oh, lights went back on. I don't know what he's doing. Can hardly see it with this so much light. It doesn't know whether it's day or night. But yeah, Butterfly Park looks great. So thought I'd share that with you and do a little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.